everyone! Today I thought we could do some vocal agility exercises to work on moving through passages with ease and flexibility. The idea with any coordination-based exercise is that we want to work on our technique or our form first. Then we can speed that up or work on the same exercises in different ranges. I'll keep these exercises today moderate, but please feel free to hit pause and work on them faster or slower or in different ranges if you'd like. I would recommend doing these exercises after you've been singing for a while and are at least somewhat warmed up. Let's vocalize first on a siren for a moment. We want to be able to effortlessly negotiate gliding through registers. Let's start with a lip trill. Moving on to an E sound. E. Now let's open it up to an ah and increase that range a little bit. Ah. Let's try the following exercise. We'll sing on mi, e, ah, like this. Mi, e, ah. I'd recommend starting fairly slowly and then speed up as it gets easier. We'll do this exercise twice. One round kind of slowly and then another round a bit faster. Here we go. Mi, One more time, let's try it a little bit faster. Great job. Let's try another 5-note pattern this time. This one is a bit longer, so make sure to keep the airflow steady. No speed bumps. It sounds like this. vocal agility exercise that will work not only on moving between notes, but starting notes cleanly and coordinating air with phonation. It sounds like this. Z, with just a light bounce. Here we go. Z, For this exercise, focus on moving fluidly through a major triad arpeggio, but with great accuracy. We will sing mi, me, ma. We'll move through mi, me, ma, and work through different vowels. Feel free to choose a different set of vowels if you like. Here we go. Mi, me, ma. Mi, me, ma. This multi-purpose exercise will help with clean onsets and lifted short vowels. It will help with tongue and vocal fold coordination and, of course, vocal flexibility. Let's sing the following pattern. Ki, ke, ki, ke, ki. Make sure to keep these notes short, just throw them away. Here we go. Ki, ke, ki, ke, ki. Ki, ke, ki, ke, ki. Now, working on increasingly wider intervals, we can sing 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 3, 1. You can sing this on numbers or on solfege. Right now I'd like to try it on na. We can sing na, 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 and try it. Na, 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 Lastly, let's move to an octave arpeggio as we sing zing, 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 za, 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 za. This will allow us to work on vocal fold coordination over a larger range, as well as coordinating articulation and focus. Here we go. Zing, 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 za, 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 za. 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 And side down. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know which one of these exercises you liked the best, which ones you've struggled with, and what you'd like to see more of. I hope you'll give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you'd like to be notified when a new video comes out, hit that notification bell down below. I will see you next time.